Well, Jennifer, according to the FBI, from 2018 to 2019. Now, court documents show both officers who were on the job and in unmarked police cars went to West Louisville, targeted citizens, and then threw drinks at them and then sped off. Now, in some cases, Rick and Jennifer, they would even record them doing that and then send it to other officers. PD officers served as detectives in the department's 9th Division. On Tuesday, Kurt Flynn, seen here, and Brian Wilson, whose picture was not provided, pleaded guilty to federal charges, which the FBI said violated the civil rights of people living in West Louisville by throwing drinks at them. From 2018 to 2019, court documents state the civil violations happened while they were on the job in unmarked cars, but wearing clothes that identified them as LMPD officers.
I think it's important for people in this community to understand what some of our officers are capable of.
Sadiqa Reynolds, the CEO of the Louisville Urban League, says she was appalled by what happened. Documents show both men would take drinks into their cars, and after they picked a target, they or sometimes another driver would slow down and drive to the sidewalk. They would announce on the police radio, "Someone was thirsty," or "Thirsty fam," throw the drink, hitting the person, and then speeding off.
Just disgusting. So they deserve everything that's coming at them.
If you disrespect people when you're driving down the road with a big Slurpee in your hand, how else are you disrespecting people?
Prosecutors say in some instances, someone would record the despicable acts on a cell phone and share the video with other officers. District 13 Councilman Mark Fox is a former LMPD major.
And I don't get it. I simply don't get it.
Chief Erica Shields, who was not at the department at the time, says their behavior was demoralizing and dehumanizing. She's starting an internal investigation with the Professional Standards Unit and says if anyone else had knowledge or involvement, they'll face discipline. Fox says based off what he's read, he expects action to be taken.
I certainly see some letters of reprimand being in order, some suspension days being in order.
For a department that's been working to rebuild the trust with the community, Reynolds says the actions of a few makes it more difficult for others who are trying.
I feel like these actions and what they are guilty of should show the community that we have not been making these things up. All officers are not wonderful, all officers are not bad, but there are some bad ones, and they are really bad.
Now, in a separate case, Wilson also pleaded guilty to one count of conspiracy to commit cyberstalking. In that case, prosecutors say he hacked the computer apps of several women and threatened to publish compromising pictures and videos unless they sent him more. Now, both men will be sentenced in September. Wilson faces 15 years in prison and Flynn faces 10 years in prison. Reporting live, I'm Shaquille Lord, WLKY News.